The future isn't something that just happens, it's something we create through the choices we make today.
Sundays are my favorite day to reset, reflect, and prepare for the week ahead. But as we've stepped into 2025, I'm being more intentional about how I prepare, not just for the week, but for the life I want to create. This year is about big faith, releasing control, stepping fully into my purpose. And today I'm taking you along as I do a little Sunday grocery shopping. I just got in from Sunday shopping. I usually shop on a Sunday and then I pick maybe the midweek to run and do a little shopping to help prepare for my meal prepping. And I want to share some of these products with you. Went to Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. So the first product, a little snack that I love from Trader Joe's are these really good pretzels with peanut butter. Good snack, 150 calories only. Another good snack is crunchy granola. This I use with my yogurt in the morning. It's very tasty, only 280 grams with my yogurt, and I usually don't eat anything until after 1:30, 2 o'clock. Now, this is a product that I'm trying, and these are the Citron Myers Lemon. I love lemon. I use lemon in my tea. I use lemon in my water, and sometimes I use lemon just to clean my sink, just to take the odor and clean my sink out. Of course, my blueberries from Trader Joe's, my raspberries. I use this in the morning, my yogurt, put it in my yogurt, and then also I may put a few of the fruit in my water just to have a refreshing water to drink through the day. Now, these are juices that I just tried over the Christmas holiday, and I love them. These are the Power Organic juices. And this here has beet, strawberry, apple, watermelon, elderberry, and cranberry. I love. In fact, I have to hide from my son because he seems to drink this like it's Kool-Aid, and it's not. I love. This flavor is my favorite. Also is the green juice. Another power juice, really good for you, really tasty, guys. And the next one is the purple juice. Beets, apples, all the goodness and greatness. So I love. These are blackberries. I love blackberries, the little blackberries. And I love the mini apple honey crisps. I love. I tried these last week for the first time, and they're really good. The mini brownies from Trader Joe's. My organic Greek yogurt. I love. I can go through this in like 3 days. These are the organic chicken wing sections. My son loves these. And I have my oven on, so that's what you just heard, because I'm preparing to cook some organic chicken, bake them with a little lemon and season. Another bag of the chicken. And then also, these are more lemons. Never have enough lemons. Now, this is the famous lobster bisque. Really good. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to mix some of my lobster tail meat and my lobster bisque, and maybe boil a pasta to go along with it. Just something to keep so my son could have a little, and then I could maybe have a little before dinner time. The mushrooms. Yes. Mushrooms. Broccoli. Easily for a little snack during the day. The organic slaw. I usually mix a little vinaigrette and oil and make this a nice little salad. And sometimes I'll add maybe shrimp or lobster tail as a meat. Did I say meat? As a protein. And then we have the chicken fried rice. I love, 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 love. Easy meals. Sometimes if you don't want anything heavy at night, you could have this during the day for like a quick power lunch. Now, basil. I just love, love, love Trader Joe's spices. Very economically priced. And I've never ever tried black garlic. I'm gonna try it on my chicken today. Now, a few things from Whole Foods. I love, 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 love these shaved Brussels sprouts. Love, love, love. I can eat them for a little snack or sometimes have them for my dinner. I don't want anything heavy. I love, love, love. This is the barbecue black pepper mix from Trader Joe's. I love this. I can also put lobster meat or shrimp or chicken strips you can put and have a nice lunch or dinner if you don't want a lot for dinner. Now, these are really good snacks. My son loves these poppers. They're very tasty and cheap. Buffalo style chicken poppers, a cute and tasty snack. Boom, boom, boom shrimp from Whole Foods. Not expensive at all. Very, very tasty. And cod. I love, love, love having a piece of fish when I meal prep and some healthy rice and a veggie, and it fills me and it's good and healthy. And there you have it. I am getting ready to meal prep and to prepare dinner. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to the Sisterhood with Lisa. Sundays aren't just the end of the weekend. They're the foundation for the week ahead, and it's my time to slow down, reset, step into Monday feeling prepared and in control. But this year, I'm shifting my approach, and you should too. Sundays just aren't about planning the week. They're about aligning life with big vision and intention, faith, and stepping into purpose. And that's what I want to encourage you to do.
First thing you want to do is make a list of your wins and losses for 2024. Your wins you always want to celebrate. List everything you accomplished, big or small. Your losses, look at it like this. These are areas for growth. Write down what didn't go as planned. Next, you want to analyze the why behind each loss. You can ask your questions like, did I lack discipline or consistency? Was it bad timing or missing key resources? Was it not truly aligned with my purpose? Did you let fear, doubt, or procrastination hold you back? You guys, I have to admit, this is something that I battle with on a daily basis. Take the lessons and move forward. Every loss is a lesson.
Now that we've reflected, it's time to move forward with clarity and purpose. Let's talk about setting intentional goals for 2025.
Define your big goal. What do you want to accomplish? Think about key areas, whether it's finances, health, mindset, relationships. Write them down as if they are already happening. I am financially free. I have a strong, healthy body. You get the gist of it. Next, break goals into actionable steps. Identify what you need to do. Example, if it's better health, you can think about maybe meal prepping healthy food, exercising 3 to 5 times a week, drinking more water, and stay hydrated. This is just an example. Actionable steps and whatever your goals are, but you must do this daily.
Make these steps part of your routine and stay consistent. Also, be intentional. Leave a comment below and share some of your goals with me. I would love to read them. Let's step into 2025 with faith, clarity, and intention. And I'll see you on the next video. Love you.